What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so an old beef has been revived. Yes, so this beef started way back in 2017, and I'm talking about the beef between Shatta Wale and Yaa pono. Yeah, so if you don't know the origination of this particular beef, let me take you guys back. Yeah, so in 2017, Shatta Wale and Yaa pono were built to perform at the Cape Coast Mega Stadium, and it was alleged that Shatta Wale prevented Yaa pono from performing on that particular day, of which actually breeded some kind of feud between the two artists. So Yaa pono, in an interview, actually spelled out what really happened, and then went into the studio to record a song of which he expressed his feelings, and the song was titled No Cool. Shatta Wale, upon also hearing that particular song, went to the recording studio and so we fired back at Yaa pono with the title Say Fin. And Yaa pono, who also did not fear to say Fin, also went back and gave Shatta Wale a very huge punchline, which is Benabu, which up to now, anytime you hear Benabu, is a flawless victory to Shatta Wale. Yes, so Shatta Wale, who did not also give up, also went to the recording studio, also recorded One Man Killer, of which Charlie, it didn't really match Benabu, therefore Yaa pono did not reply. Yeah, so from 2017 till now, things have been on the low, only for Yaa pono to go on Twitter to make a tweet which has actually started or reignited the beef between himself and Shatta Wale. Yeah, so Yaa pono took to Twitter and this is what he tweeted. As Shatta Wale GH, the system make quiet. LOL, make us shake you small. So I'm sure probably Yaa pono was just trying to, make fun and just one of those tweets. But then Shatta Wale, who also did not understand it the way he actually tweeted, that's the way Yaa pono tweeted, also came back and replied or quoted the tweet by saying that Shene John, or let me say Shewo John, we won't give any hype to underground artists anymore. Go look for Patapaa Dems. And like his particular reply or response by Shatta Wale to Yaa pono has actually started or reignited the beef which started way back 2017. Yeah, so Yaa pono went on to tweet again saying that tweet them again, double John. What I tweeted wasn't insult for people, John. You have the longest underground role in Ghanaian history. 19 years minus my 6 years. You go feel born total apart to be media grow ube Jimmy. Yeah, so for the look of things, Yaa pono says that he was actually joking, and it seems Shatta Wale has taken the whole thing serious and trying to compare him to Patapaa and all that. This tweet had a lot of reactions on social media, especially on Twitter. A lot of people quoting like, hey Charlie, new beef. And then end there, after he quoted Yaa pono's tweet, Yaa pono also came back and also replied or quoted that particular tweet and said, hey, my pikin Shatta Wale, if you type this, which means that, hey Charlie, I was just joking and you are trying to make things serious, then I'm going to really go hard on you. And guys, this has actually reignited the beef, and we are waiting. Ghanaian bloggers, the media, fans are actually monitoring these two artists to see if a new song is going to be released by any of them and they're going to make themselves dirty. And as I said, this particular beef was one of the greatest beef, okay, aside the beef between Sarkodie and Manifest. Lyrical beef, where people threw shot at each other, in songs and all that. Yeah, so Patapaa also quoted a tweet and he said, they always undermine and underrate me, but before they realize I'm their hero. This is a no, especially coming from someone I respect so much and calls my godfather. The table shall surely turn. If it's not today, it's tomorrow. I serve a living God and I'm focused. Charlie, the same Shatta Wale's tweet has actually, hit below the belt for so many artists and all that, and you could see Patapaa is really peeved, and kind of respect he has for Shatta Wale has actually reduced because Shatta Wale is labeling him as an underground artist, and we all know the height at which Patapaa attained in the showbiz industry. Okay, for Shatta Wale to actually quote him as an underground artist, Charlie, is sheer disrespect. Okay guys, what is your thoughts on this particular issue? Can you drop it in the comment section below? Let's get interactive in there. Yes, all too soon we've come to the end of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that TV. As I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, hey, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Share this video with your friends. Yeah, don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at odate_jh, and on Instagram is at odate.jh. My blog is also buzzing with a lot of entertainment news. It's www.odatejhnews.com. Log on and read more news. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.